Dear students, I start with lecture 11 of 101 and 102. Have a look on this example, exercise example. If y equal to sine m sine inverse x is in -1 to 1, then prove that 1 minus x square yn plus 2 minus 2n plus 1 x yn plus 1 minus n square minus m square yn equal to 0. Answer. Here y equal to sine m sine inverse x. Therefore, y1 equal to differentiation of sine to cos m sine inverse x m upon square root of 1 minus x square. So, no square root, no denominator. M sine inverse x. Squaring both the sides. Actually, this is equal to m square root of 1 minus y square, 1 minus sine square. So you may write directly 1 minus y square. And then we do one more derivation, and therefore one minus x square as it is. Differentiation of y1 square is 2y1 and that of y1 is y2. y1 square is as it is, and the differentiation of 1 minus x square, 1 is 0 and x square is 2x. Sign of minus is there and therefore it is minus 2x. M square constant, differentiation of 1 is 0, that of y square is 2y and that of y is y1. Minus sign is there and therefore it is minus. Taking 2y1 common throughout, so what we will have? 1 minus x square y2 minus x y1 n square y equal to 0. Therefore, by Leibniz theorem, now we apply Leibniz theorem. That is, here we are taking u equal to yn and v equal to 1 minus x square. So this is equal to u v as it is, nth derivation of u, that is yn plus 2 plus nc1 minus 2x yn plus 1 plus nc2 minus 2 y. Now the first differentiation of 1 minus x square is minus 2x, and that of minus 2x is minus 2. This is un minus 1, un minus 2. Now differentiation of minus 2 is 0, and therefore there will be no further calculation. In the second time, we choose u equal to y1, here it is, and v equal to minus x, or say x, minus sign is there. And therefore by again using the Leibniz theorem, x yn plus 1, nc1, differentiation of x is 1, y, and it's done. This is un, u is y1, un is, that is means nth derivation. y1 is already there, y1 તો છે જ, અને હવે એનું n મું વિકલન એટલે yn પ્લસ. આમાં u બરાબર y2, yn એટલે કે y2 નું n મું વિકલન એટલે yn plus 2 પ્લસ last term n square yn equal to 0. Now we collect the terms of 1 minus x square, yn plus 2. There is only one term of y, n plus 2. Then we collect the terms of yn plus 1. You know that nc1 is n, nc2, actually this is 2 factorial, but 2 factorial is 2, nc3 is n minus 1, n minus 2 upon 3 factorial, or I say 6. Minus 2nx means this term is over, there is no term of y, yes it is, minus x yn plus 1. And the terms of yn, this is nc2, we have value for nc2 is n minus 1 upon 2. So this is over, this term is there, minus sign is outside and therefore it is minus n plus n square yn equal to 0. So check it. Therefore, one minus x square yn plus 2 I am taking minus x common, means it is 2n plus 1, and the calculation at here is minus n square plus n minus n plus n square. So, and if you take the sign of minus common, and therefore as per requirement. જો છોકરાઓ અહીંયા સુધી જ્યારે તમને એક તો સાબિત કરવામાં આવે છે, then prove that this કોઈ પણ સમ માટે તમને શું પ્રૂવ કરવું છે જો એ આપ્યું હોય તો આ તમે મેળવ્યું છે અને અહીંયાથી લીબનીઝ થિયરમ થાય છે. જો તમે આમાં n બરાબર 0 મૂકો તો આ શું થાય 1 - x2y2 છે. n બરાબર 0 એટલે -xy1 યસ અને m2yn છે. y0 means y without derivation means y itself, y જાતે. ઠીક છે, એટલે આ કોઈ પણ માં તમે કરી શકો. એટલે આ એક હિન્ટ છે તમારા માટે, એક એનો તાળો છે કે તમે જે ગણતરી કરી છે એ સાચી છે. This is a hint. If you put n equal to 0 in this, you will find this answer after this one. Actually we derive it from here. If you get n equal by putting n equal to 0, if you get equation 1, means this calculation is correct. Calculation up to here is correct. Okay. There is one sum on the board, 26. If In is nth derivation of x raised to n log x, then prove that In equal to n In minus 1 plus n minus 1 factorial. Hence derive In equal to n factorial log x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 up to 1 upon n. Answer. Here In equal to dA dxn xn log x. Now we apply first derivation. Therefore In first log x as it is, nth derivation of x raised to n is nx n minus 1, and when we do the differentiation of log x, it will be 1 upon x. So 1 power of x raised to n is decreased, means x raised to n minus 1. So very simple part. Now we are taking this nth derivation inside. So we have this is equal to n dn minus 1 dxn minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 log x and nth derivation of x raised to n minus 1 is n minus 1 factorial. So we have In is n times I of n minus 1, n minus 1 factorial. So you see that it is of this form. For conveniency, you can have one more bracket. So you can understand it is d of n dxn, we call it In. Here it is dn minus 1 dxn minus 1, and though we call it I of n minus 1. Now we divide this equation by n factorial, and therefore we have In upon n factorial is equal to I of n minus 1, n minus 1 factorial plus 1 upon n. And this is the standard equation for all n. Because if we divide this by n factorial, n will be cancelled, and therefore n minus 1 factorial is there, and therefore here it is n minus 1 factorial cancel, and therefore 1 upon n is there. Now we apply this equation for I of n minus 1, n minus 1 factorial. So is equal to I of n minus 2, n minus 2 factorial plus 1 upon n minus 1. We apply the same, but n is n minus 1. Next, therefore I of n minus 2, n minus 2 factorial is equal to I of n minus 3, n minus 3 factorial plus 1 upon n minus 2. And we go further. Similarly, I3 3 factorial, I2 2 factorial plus 1 upon 3 plus I2 2 factorial is equal to I1 1 factorial 1 upon 2. So you know what is I1? d by dx of x log s, that is 1 plus log x. So here this is answer 1. And we want to find answer 2 also. In upon n factorial is what? In minus 1 upon n minus 1 factorial. See there, we put the value here. So what we have? I1 plus 1 upon n. If we put this value here of I of n minus 1 upon n minus 1, I call it I say this is 1. We put value of 1 here. Okay. Then this is 2. I put value of 2 here. This is 3. I put value of 3 here, and all these terms will be put in the previous term, and finally we get in upon n factorial is a I1 upon 1 factorial, and like this. Now we have value of I1, that is 1 plus log x. So if we put and multiply n factorial on that side, we have In is n factorial log x plus 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 3 up to 1 upon n, and this proves this example. See that? Okay, dear students, with this I stop this lecture here. હું અહીંયા અટકું છું આ લેક્ચરમાં, પણ તમે ધ્યાન રાખજો કે બધી વસ્તુ ગણીને કરજો. થિયરી તમે 12th સુધી કરતા નહીં, પણ અહીંયા થિયરી પણ પૂછાશે પરીક્ષામાં, એ હંમેશા યાદ રાખજો. થિયરી પોર્શન આવશે, વ્યાખ્યાઓ આવી શકે આપણી થિયરી પરીક્ષા વખતે, તો એ તમે કરજો. Thank you very much. I stop this lecture here. See you in the next lecture.